Are you craving comfort food but need it gluten-free? We've got you covered. Today we're making a delicious gluten-free chicken pot pie that'll make your taste buds dance. First, grab those 2 chicken breasts, or tofu if you're going meat-free. Dice them up and cook in olive oil until golden. Set aside. Next, in the same pan, sauté 1 diced onion, 2 diced carrots, and 2 diced celery stalks until they're soft and sweet. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of gluten-free flour and stir for a minute. Slowly pour in a cup of vegetable broth and a cup of oat milk, stirring to avoid lumps. Cook until it's thick, creamy, and irresistible. Now, toss that cooked chicken or tofu back in the mix. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour this savory filling into a baking dish and top with a gluten-free pie crust. Pop it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, for 25 to 30 minutes until the crust is golden and flaky. Enjoy your gluten-free comfort food. Yum! Don't forget to comment, like, press the thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more delicious recipes.